From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of wobbly bed frames and flimsy legs that just don't cut it? Well, I've got the solution for you, the metal adjustable bed legs replacement from Benbuo. This product is a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. The metal adjustable bed legs replacement is crafted from durable metal, giving it a solid feel that's built to last. One of the standout features is its adjustability, with 6 different height options ranging from 7 to 12 inches, so you can customize it to fit your needs. I love that it comes with 4 different thread types, including M8, M10, 5/16, and 3/8, which makes it compatible with a wide range of bed frames. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's well reviewed and popular among those who need a reliable and sturdy bed leg solution. I've had the chance to try it out, and I can attest to its durability and versatility. The metal frame has a smooth texture and a sturdy sound when you adjust the height, which gives you confidence that it can hold up to regular use. Whether you have a king, queen, twin XL, full, or twin size bed frame, this product is suitable for various brands and sizes. In real-life use, I've found that these adjustable bed legs are perfect for creating a comfortable and stable sleeping surface. They are also much better than other products on the market because they are designed with durability and adjustability in mind. The fact that you can adjust the height to fit your specific needs is a huge plus, and the metal frame ensures that it will withstand the test of time. If you're in the market for a reliable and adjustable bed leg solution, I highly recommend giving the metal adjustable bed legs replacement from Benbuo a try. With its durable metal frame, adjustable height options, and compatibility with various beds, as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.